Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka. Kingi ni arakorirwo akiaria hindi ya kihunjio giake on Wednesday ndagika nini after Wairimu Kimani gukura kiruta apology ni undu wa expose conversation yake na Adama iria irakorirwo ikianika mitugo ya Bishop Ben ya Adama mwenyewe na Reverend Joy Kiengei's wife. Kiengei danonekana kurega ivatol. All Adama said in her confession was true na ragikorwo agitiga andu na ciuria nyingi muno. Wairimu Kimani has done a video after apology iyo yake. Video iria riu itumite andu makioneta gukire na kaundu karathi na mbere behind the scene. Wairimu akiuga we ndagwitetera because she apologized but she has something to say na agikorwo agikushon Kenyans about ihunjio iria maramukira kuma kuria hujia ao. Wairimu akiuga ati gutire undu hanikaga o uguo tu no undu wothe uhanikaga na gitumi, na akiuga ati maundu macio maragikorwo makihanika few days ago marakorirwo makihanika na gitumi ni ku expose iundu fulani. Ciugo cia Wairimu in that video ciakorwo igikira andu ciuria nyingi ciegie drama ino iragikorwo igithie na mbere na uria Kiengei aragikorwo akiaria aki apologize, na andu ni magikorwo magicomment makira Wairimu toyo akimwira only those who took time at this situation in a spiritual way will understand what Wairimu Kimani is saying. No yo akiuga regardless of how people may look at it, God used that conversation to bring to light what people do in darkness. Na Joy Kiengei mwenaini wake nionekana agikaga video konekana tarakigeria ku respond to what is going on in this drama ikoretwo igitrend gwa kahinda. Ndiwe maoni maku ni mariko ni ndeto iria iragithie na mbere kwario haha na haria cikigie drama ino ikoretwo igithie na mbere. Make sure ni ura turn on your notification uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu tucemanie na next one.